Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. This video is for you guys. This is amazing nice looking of your favorite home interior decoration, and I have brought today's video for you, in which you can see there is a very beautiful master bathroom design, in which you can see where the tile of the master bathroom walls can be installed and which designs you can spend time on. And it is great nice looking bathroom master bathroom design and bathroom home decoration ideas. This video is for you guys. This is amazing videos of your favorite home interior and home bathroom decoration ideas. It is very beautiful big bathroom designing, and like this video amazing nice. Subscribe this channel and like and share your friend and family. And this is a very big bathroom design, in which you can see how the wall are decorated with moles, and in this you can also see that showers of your choice. In this way you can design your favorite showers. It is great nice looking. Apart from this design is also used in United States country style, and side designings are also used in Pakistan and India, because this design is for 2024 model. This big bathroom of 2024 is trending ideas in your favorite home interior decoration ideas. I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share this video your friends and your families WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. It is great nice looking. Show this again, very beautiful bathroom tiles and very beautiful decor cabinets and baño. It is very nice looking. It is great nice looking. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care.